to have a word with the both of you.
Oh, everything is alright.
It's about Uli.
What about her?
I thought I had forgotten her completely until I saw her again. I think I'm still in love with her.
Son, what sort of verbal blast is this?
No, son. That girl is a forgotten issue in this palace. So it's better not to mention her name here. You better cut off anything you have with her.
Mom, I know what I'm saying. I still want her. And I just wanted the both of you to know.
Have you forgotten that she is pregnant for another man?
I don't care.
Are you sure that our son is still alright?
He is not.
My princess.
Oh, come on. Don't address me as your princess. Call me Adanaya. So where have you been?
I've been out of the village.
Ah, my mom, my dad, including my brother Olisa. They'll be so happy to see you. You know what? You look so handsome, like clean. I think it's high time we take this our friendship to another level. What do you think?
I'm sorry, my princess. My heart now belongs to another.
What? And is she from this village?
Yes.
Then that's fine. Settled. Just tell her that Princess Adana of Iseluku Kingdom is interested in you. She will just give it up. Nothing. Just don't worry yourself about anything, okay? So hop in, let me drop you.
Sorry, I'll be on my way.
Oh, Ikenaya. Wow.
You want might not be what their plans are. Uche madu diche nechiche chukwu.
Where did you go to? I've been searching everywhere for you.
I just took a stroll.
And you didn't bother telling me before leaving.
I'm sorry. What is it? Why are you looking
me
for
alone.
Me?
You're not supposed to go out without telling me.
Sorry.
Let's go. My father said there's something he wants to discuss with us.
That's why you kept your face like that.
Me alone, Joe. You just left like that. You not done.
Why you keep the hammer?
Mom? Oh, guess what?
You know your mother is not good at that.
Oh, Mom. I saw Ekenna today.
Which Ekenna are you talking about?
The palm wine seller.
Oh! Has he stopped farting around?
I think so, because I didn't notice that about him. Mom, a lot has really changed about him. You need to see Ekenna. Oh my God, I couldn't believe my eyes. I was just staring at him like this. Your daughter here is falling.
Wait.
Mommy.
Are you trying to tell me that finally My daughter has decided to settle down with a man.
Of course.
That's great news. I can't wait to see him around. And by the way, what is he doing in this village?
I don't know. Maybe he came for supply or something. But I know he will definitely come around. We got talking, mommy. Oh my God, I'm so happy.
Do you know the most interesting part of it all? That you didn't notice he's still farting.
Yes, you know that alone is very, very important. Oh my God, Mom. When I saw him, he was looking so handsome. I was just staring and staring, and something in me just did ba 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 ti 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 ti. Oh!
See my daughter, I can see the way you are happy.
Yeah, Mom.
Okay, just use the bush. Let me go too.
No, don't worry. I'm fine. I'm not there. Oh.
Okay, Nemengwangwa oh.
How are you? And me. Oh my God. So, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm okay, as you can see. So, I told my mom and everybody about you. You know, they've been so worried since you left the palace. And now, I told them I'm really, really interested in you. And they're so happy, they can't wait to meet you.
I'm sorry, I'm here with my woman.
Your woman?
Yes. She's coming, she's just easing herself.
Your woman in this village? Oh, I wonder who this woman is.
Baby, yeah.
Greetings, princess.
No!
Honestly, I don't get it. I don't get it. How come she knows him?
Mom, I was told he's the same person Uli came back to this village with.
Oh my God.
Mom, I love Ekenna so much. I love him. I'm so much interested in him. Mom, I don't know why that God-forsaken bastard, that stupid Uli, why she's always an obstacle to my blessings. Why, Mom? Why? Oh.
I'm so sorry, my daughter. I'm so sorry. It's quite unfortunate. But you have to let go.
What? Mom, don't even say that. Please, don't. I will never let go. Never. Please don't say that. I will make sure that girl returns to Ezai where she belongs. Where nobody will ever see her. I swear with my life. I swear. Leave me.
My daughter, just let go. Let go. Yours will come.
You don't have any regard for this our friendship. Why didn't you tell me you're meeting with the royal family? I told you my story with the royal family. Why?
Uli, why are you saying this now? Why are you saying this? I told you that she just forced me to have a stroll with me. I didn't even walk. You saw us there. I don't know what is wrong with her. You just get. Why are you accusing me?
Enough of all these things. Enough of all these things. I did not bring you to this village for a princess to come and snatch you from me.
Nobody is snatching anybody.
So, but what was that all about? I
say you should.
See, I've been trying to avoid trouble. God knows, oh. I've been trying to avoid trouble, but the way this thing is going now is really beginning to get on my nerves. So, there's a limit to what I can take.
Calm down.
There's a limit to what I can take. What does she want from me? What does she want from you?
Here she comes.
Let me tell you what you want.
Now, you listen, idiot, this dirty thing. You see this man right here? I don't care if you're the person that came back to this village with him. Whatsoever, I want you to avoid him. Did you hear me?
Now, princess, listen to me. Listen and listen good. You are a woman. You should have some dignity. Yes. You can't just come into people's life and start giving command. What's that now? Stop it now. We are trying to give you some more respect and you are...
I'm not talking to you. She's the one I have issues with.
If you're having issues with her, you're having issues with me.
Please, again, stop it. And you listen. This girl right here brought disaster to herself the very first day she rejected my brother. Yes! And now she has been causing problem for my family and I. And today here you are. You think you can take my money away from me over my dead body because I, Princess Adana, I will fight you with everything in me, including my blood. Do not say I do not want you. Makada mama.
This one is just, she just making noise. Eh? You know I love you. I can't leave you for her. Own name. I don't know her. I don't know what
I don't just understand though. I don't understand. Since Ulima, my daughter, refused to marry the prince, it has been from one problem to the other in this family. Right now, I am on the verge of being stripped of my title, Onowuship, just because of my daughter. I am sure right now, by the actions of the king, we are no longer friends. The worst is still coming up. Do you know that the princess has indicated interest on the same man that our daughter came home with? The man that she came home with hope to marry her. And she's threatening that she will kill our daughter if she doesn't leave him for her.
I don't get it. Honestly, I don't get it. Why is the royal family always after our daughter?
I don't know.
Why do they always want what she wants? And everything that has to do with her? Why can't they find their own?
Because they are rich. And they think because they are rich and powerful, nobody should say no to them. Whenever somebody makes money or whenever somebody has power, they believe that anything they want, they must get it. Papa, it's high time you stood up and talked to Igwe man to man. Enough of this nonsense. We are not the only family in this village. Must they come after us and what we have? How can Princess open her mouth to say she wants Ekenna? The man I'm carrying his child. Or sense. How insensitive can she be? And the prince is also there telling me he still loves me. Those people are delusional. Papa, Binienigwe, go to king. Go and meet him. Talk to him man to man. You are a man, Papa. You cannot be shivering. You cannot be getting scared every time. Beg them to leave us alone.
I'm going to meet with Igwe today. I must know his stand. Whether he is for me or against me. Because it is getting out of hand. I have been handling this issue because of my relationship with him. But now I see he is taking it to another dimension, and I will not continue to keep him quiet. I will do something. But at the same time, my daughter, if you can watch very calmly, we discover what is on ground. Tension is everywhere. And by your condition, I wouldn't like you to face such tension. I would suggest you leave. Again. I maintain it.
Again?
Not again. I never see she has not left before. Listen, I want you to leave this place for now until this madness is over.
Papa,
then you come back.
Papa, I will do no such thing. When the prince wanted me, you chased me out of the village.
Yes!
Now the princess wants my man. You want to chase me out of the village.
Please.
I will not accept
I'm not saying this.
Papa, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
Papa
forever. Biko, I'm not going anywhere.
This tension will not last forever.
Every time, the other time you chased her away, she rejected the prince. Now you are engineering again. Leave. What kind of a man are you? You're all invested in his Igwe will strip you of your wushi. But is your no food?
Listen, woman.
Does it bring food on our table?
Listen. I have been telling you to reason as an adult. Our daughter is still a kid, is still a child, even though she claimed to be an adult. You should not reason like her. With her situation, she doesn't need tension. I asked her to leave. She wasn't in this condition before. Her condition doesn't need stress. Let her step out and step back here when this madness is over. I have said it. I don't want her to be stressed to death.
Stand up and protect your daughter.
I am protecting her now. Really? Listen to my word. You are a woman.
That is my point. This is her father's house. She will stay here.
It's okay.
See, do you want her to be killed instantly or what? Because I'm promising you that her death will be quicker than falling asleep and we have no traces to you.
No, I don't want her to be killed because she's cursed. If you kill her, her blood will be in my hands. I don't want that. I want you to take her very far away, maybe to an evil forest or somewhere nobody can trace her, and she will not be able to find her way back to this kingdom. That is what I want. Please.
Consider it done. Because that one now come case. That one no be issue. Maybe today we begin there now. Now what we tell the chop? Now what we tell they survive?
I promise you will get your alert this evening.
Alright.
Do your work.
Ulima, I go ask more pepper soup for you. My boy go break film. Boy like film. I ask more pepper soup by condemning one of your left ear.
Bobby, are you considering her request? I mean, she's a princess, royalty, and they can turn your life around in an unimaginable way.
I don't understand. Is that how low you think of me?
I'm sorry.
Listen, Uli. I love you. And I know you love me too. You accepted me even when everybody rejected me. There is no way I will forget everything I've been through. Okay? So I love you and I will always love you and you alone. Because one pompous princess wants to marry me. That can never be possible.
Thank you. I don't know what I've done to them. But a lot of people are seeking for my downfall. They want to break me. They want to kill me for no reason. Sometimes it gets very overwhelming. Sometimes I get confused. That's why I don't want you to leave me. You are all I have. Please, don't leave me. I don't want them to take you away from me. Please.
Come. I love you so much. And I want to promise you today that no matter what happens, I will always be there for you.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I cannot take.
No, thank you.
Stop it. Don't tell me you're still upset over what happened the other day. I'm sorry. You know, the way I shouted and I was just yelling on top of my voice, you can blame me. That's riffraff pushed me. Please, I'm sorry. Just take it.
Gifting me is not really necessary.
I said you should take it.
Princess Adana.
Yeah?
Do you know you're a very nice person?
Oh, coming from you, that's nice.
You're truly a nice person, but I would suggest you look for another man.
Why?
Get yourself in another man, somebody who deserves your heart. You're very, I'm taking. I don't think this thing you are doing will ever work.
Ekena, can you listen to yourself? So wait, so you just want to go for that riffraff, low life? No. Ekena. Fine. I love you. That's just the truth. And you know, I was even there before her. Just forget about her. Let her go. You know what it means to marry me. You become royalty. You have your own car. You go to any country of your choice. You eat well.
What
is it? Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
Django. Hey, Django. Time no dey, move you sharp.
The cause of our land for the life of my daughter. One thing will happen to you. The wicked will never see you. All their plans against you, none will prosper.
Mama, I am blessed and extremely lucky to be alive today. These people want to kill me for no reason, but my chi refused. When I woke up, I saw the men lying dead. I took off immediately.
Hey!
What would have been my fate?
Mama, oh! Chukudalo. Chukudalo.
Mama, I think I know who is behind this. Come in.
You know?
Where are you going? Mama, Biko, allow him.
Come back, Nana.
Mama,
Biko.
allow him. If he wants to confront her, let him go and confront her. Yes!
See, I will personally go and meet with you. Let me know why the daughter is fighting my own daughter.
She wants to kill me for me.
No, she has to explain to me. I don't want to about
the ways of God, not the ways of the mortals. What you think and what you want.
What's your problem? What's the meaning of this?
How dare you? Adana, I ask you, how dare you?
Reduce your voice. Don't you know you're speaking to the princess of Iseluku kingdom?
To hell with that your nonsense title. I said to hell with that your nonsense title. No, is this the level of your desperation? I want to know.
How do you mean?
Adanna, how dare you send assassins to my girl?
Me? Assassin? How? Ikenaya, do you know the level of your accusation? Do you know that?
You know I'm saying the truth. You know I am saying the truth. Now let me warn you. The next time I will see anybody or anything close to my girl again, you will have me to contend with. I'm not as easy as you think, oh. I'm not as easy as you think. Be very careful with me. When you try this kind of thing next time, Megi. Ikwete. Zukwaike, oh, Zukwaike. I'm telling you, Zukwaike, oh. Okay. Megi, man.
Oh, wait. I get it now. The man she returned with is the same man you are interested in.
Yes. The same man I love so much. You know, I've been buying everything for him. Doing everything I can to let him know that I'm interested and I love him. I want him in my life. Is the same man this girl wants to spend the rest of her life with. Can you imagine how stubborn she is?
Someone that I've been begging to look my way. Huh? I didn't even know that all this is going on.
Olisa, I told you it's not a good idea begging her. You don't have to descend so low. Royal blood doesn't beg.
Mother, she's the one that I want. And I will do everything to get her. I mean, you know my situation. You know how it is with me and all the girls I've dated in the past. How they have all disappointed me. So this is a clear indication that she is the one for me. So I'll do everything to get it.
Wow. You have all my support. Go ahead. You can have her. Please. This time, I will support you. What I know is that I want her man. And there is nothing she can do about it. I must have him.
I'm glad. But let me warn you. Never send assassins to the woman I intend to spend the rest of my life with. Never. Don't do it again.
What? Did I hear you say assassins?
By the time I'm through with your daughter, she will understand that I'm not wearing a smile on my face by returning from exile without my permission. I will make her lobby in my hands, in pains.
Hey! Enough of that! What? There's enough! Enough is enough!
Asado, you shouted at me.
Yes, I shouted at you. Yes, I shouted at you. Because you called for it. What is the problem? I am tired of this constant embarrassment, constant harassment. What has my daughter done to you in the entire kingdom? That you people will not allow her to rest. What is the problem? She came home with a man that she wants to marry. That is all. And that is the only man your daughter could see to marry her. Eh? Tell me, what is my daughter's fault? Is it her fault to return home with somebody that she wants to marry her? Or is it her fault that your daughter cannot see any other human being to marry other than the same person she came home with? Tell me where my daughter is faulted. Eh?
My Onowo has never shouted at me before.
Yes. There must be a beginning in everything. There must be a beginning, King Udeze. There is always a first time to everything. You made me to shout at you. And as long as you have done it, I will keep shouting at you in everything. Yes. Listen, if you don't have the wisdom to handle some issues, you better call the elders together. In fact, invite the whole people of this land. Let them give you wisdom. Like I said, enough is enough. Stop threatening me and my family. The threatening is too much, and I cannot continue to condone it. I need to talk to you. I can't be watching you with a rash injustice upon my own family and you think it will be well with you. I can't keep you quiet. Let heavens fall. Take my leave.
How dare you, Uli? How dare you? After my warnings, you still went ahead to stay with Ikenna. How dare you? You went deaf ear to it, right? Now listen to me. Stay away from Ikenna. Henceforth, I don't ever want to see you two together. This and order. Did you hear me?
My powerful princess, if I heard you correctly, you want me to leave Ikenna for you?
Of course.
Kiburu.
Yes.
Nkijiburu onye. Nkeji shibege ejebo onye. Itarakara ego onye. See, respect your royalty. Why don't we go meeting? I've respected you enough. Meeting. Don't you ever come to this place again with your two left legs to come and tell me to stay away from my man.
Can you imagine? You're here saying your man, as if you can even take care of your man. What can you do for him? Can you feed him? No! Not even a proper meal. What can you give to him? Nothing. And you listen to me. I am warning you because you will not like me the next time I will come here. Yes! You heard me right.
Are you done ranting? Now listen and listen attentively. Don't you ever in your miserable, stupid, foolish life step your miserable foot into this compound. Don't you dare it. And as for Ikenna, he is my man. I brought him to this village and I will not have you snatch him from me simply because you think you're some fairy tale princess. That is delusional.
Wait, did you just speak to me like that?
I will speak to you in any manner I deem fit and nothing will happen. You think I'm my father? The fact my father decided to be soft and calm with you people doesn't mean I, Ulima, will follow suit. I will do no such thing. Let me hear.
Don't you ever, now listen to me. Stay away from Ikenna. Next time you see me here, you will not like me. Go and say that I, Princess Adana of Iseluku Kingdom, said it.
No, I will say that you, Adana, Princess of Iseluku, is mad. That is the only thing I will say about you. Because it's only a mad woman that will come from nowhere to claim a man he knows nothing about. I've respected you people enough. Don't you dare me. Get out of this compound. Get out of this compound. Watch on me, we will. Okay. If I get angry, you will not like me. If I get angry, man like him.
Amaze me. Because the next time you will see me, you will not like what you see. Excuse me, it's yours.
Nonsense. Are you ranting? You're not ashamed of yourself. You are a princess. You have car. You have everything. You have royalty. You must come and snatch my own before you will feel you have power. Galadima, idiot. That place. Tell me and step your foot into this compound. Leave Ikenna for me. Frustrated mother. Don't worry.
William, I have a confession to make. I want to tell you that I've known the royal household before now.
What? Again?
I used to supply palm wine and bushmeat to the royal household before now.
So, you actually know the princess before now?
Yes.
Eh?
Not just the princess, I know everybody. In fact, the prince used to be my best friend. He told me his story with you. But you never knew you stay in my house. Please. Now that we are here, I think it's time I just go and tell him that you belong to me.
Obi.
Please, I don't want you to judge me.
Listen, I'm not judging you. It's even better you told me. It's better now than never. Thank you for telling me the truth. But there's something I want to do. I have a plan.
My daughter, you have to take it easy.
Mom, what exactly do you want me to take easy here? Yes, tell me. That I will allow that poor thing, that stupid smelling thing, to take my man away from me. That will never happen. She will go back to the SI she belongs, because that is where people like her belong. Yes, I must take my man, and nobody, not even her, will stop me from marrying the man that belongs to me.
You said she challenged you?
Mom, you need to see how that poor thing was busy opening her mouth, challenging me. Me, Adana. Ah, I see. She was even at the edge of threatening me. Threatening me. Hey. One that shall never see.
All the same, it's not a problem. I'll only tell you to relax. You don't need to overstress yourself about it. The man in question knows what he wants. He knows your royalty. With all the gifts you've given to him, he is in a better position to take or choose whoever he wants.
Mother, this shouldn't be a choice of him choosing. It should be a choice of what I want. I grab it. Because whatever I want should be mine. And that boy will always be mine. Yes!
Remember, you are a princess. You can't force yourself on a man. You are royalty.
Oh. More reason I should have what I want, Mom. More reason I should have what I want. Without being questioned or threatened by that poor thing. Oh.
This is unbelievable. Is this you?
Yes, my king.
Where have you been? I mean, you stopped coming to the palace to make your supplies. What has been going on before now?
You know the king?
Yes, sir. I used to supply palm wine and bushmeat to the palace.
I can't believe this. I can't believe this. I can't believe it's the same Ekena who has lived with us in this palace. It's the same person this evil little thing wants to take away from me.
I don't get it. What went wrong? I thought you were my friend. I confided in you. How did this happen? So you can be this deceptive? I am disappointed in you.
My prince, I'm sorry about that.
Young man, you have disturbed a swarm of bees, but I'm doing well not to believe you yet.
My king, you have to believe. It's a reality. When I left this village, Ekenna is the man that saved my life and harbored me. I am here today because of him. He treated me so well that I couldn't help but fall helplessly in love with him. He's a great guy.
What? What are you talking about? Ekenna, you mean you've been harboring the love of my life all this while? And you come here pretending to me?
My prince, she told me about her story. And from all indications, She's not in love with you.
Thunder fire you. May the gods strike your mouth. You are mad. Are you better than me? Why would she choose you and leave me? You are crazy. You are mad.
My prince, please calm down. I did not come to the palace with my parents so you would misunderstand us. We came for peace. Please. I beg everyone. You all know I've been cursed from the day I refused the prince. Ever since then, my life has not been the same. I want this whole thing reversed. I want to have my life back. Princess, I know you have your eye on my man. I know you desperately want Ekena. There's good news. I will let him go for you. You can go for her. Love her, marry her, make her happy. On the condition that the prince would choose another bride and let me be. Peacefully. That's the only thing that will reverse this course.
No, Uli. That doesn't make sense. You know that's not possible. I love you.
Love.
Will you be wanting her in this pregnancy? She's already pregnant for someone else.
Love is a decision. You can decide to love someone else.
Yes.
Let's be realistic, my prince. With all due respect, I have been fair enough to this household. Please, choose another bride and set me free.
Simple.
Biko.
Is she asking for more?
We can now. Don't tell me that. She's the one that I want and she's the one I will get.
Did you listen to yourself at all?
Yes.
No, did you listen to yourself? Then what happens to the man that I want?
I don't care.
You don't care?
Yes.
You must be very, very stupid and senseless. Now listen to me. I want Ekena, and you will never be a stumbling block to that. Did you hear that?
Can you imagine what is coming out from your mouth? Eh? That means you have to force me to choose another bride. Come and force me to take another bride.
It is you that will take another bride. Yes, you will take another bride. But let me even ask you, why are you forcing yourself on someone who doesn't even want you? Who is not interested in you? Can you be reasonable? Hello?
It is you that needs to be reasonable. Because you are acting and sounding like you're selfish.
It's a must, and you must do that. Now let me tell you. Oh, you think everything should revolve around you, right? Almighty Olisa. No, everything should revolve around you. Omuria, I don't blame you. I'm your elder sister, and I should be able to take whatever I want before you. Did you hear me?
See the way you're raving. See the energy that you're putting. Eh? Why can't you look for another man? The man that you want belongs to another. Why don't you use the same energy and look for another man? I'm asking you. Why are you killing yourself for a man? Do you know what that makes you look like? It makes you look like you're petty, you're cheap, you're a slut.
Olisa! I will not allow you to insult me! Olisa! How dare you!
Stop that nonsense and sit down! What's the meaning of this? Can't you see that that girl is fanning ember of discord with that useless offer she has made? Who is she to genuflect your conscience? I'm asking you, who is she?
That girl has bitten more than she can chew. Huh? I mean, she deserves a punishment. She deserves immediate action. No darling.
The villagers already have her father's back. I cannot possibly do nothing without them feeling that I'm oppressing them. We all should be thinking on how to get out of this rather than betting verbal bouts. When did all this start? Ranting and panting before me like little rascals. I do not want to hear more words coming from both of you. You should make use of your heads, not your mouth.
My daughter, you did something very brave today at the palace. And I'm so happy about it all. I appreciate you for that. And I told the king to stop henceforth, to stop threatening you and the entire members of this household. I told him enough is enough.
Oh, Hagekwen.
Hagekwe. But, you know, where I have little problem. The option you gave to them is a very difficult one.
Papa.
Very difficult.
That's the whole idea. Yes, that's the concept. I know it will be impossible for the prince and the princess to agree. So it's better they fight themselves and let us stay in peace.
You are right.
But my daughter, that's a wise one. Very good. Yet very dangerous. Because I know the Igwe. It will not take long before he will come for your head.
Which is the reason I said we can just get married officially. Yes, let's get married officially and leave this community to a very far distant land. Let's go there and raise our kids. We can just continue our life from there. All I need is your blessing. Just give us your blessing and we are good.
Papa, Ekenna here is a very good man. And I love him so much. I would want to spend the rest of my life with him. Biko, give us your blessings.
Oh, Makano Manam.
My daughter, you have been telling us how much you love Ekenna. We are not children. I have actually known you love Ekenna very well. I will give you my blessings.
Today is payback day for you, Oli. Today I must kill you for all the pains you brought upon me and my household. No mercy.
I want to beg you for one thing. Don't hurt my daughter, no matter what reason you have. Don't hurt her.
Because you protected her against the curses of the gods. Because you protected him to live after sleeping with your daughter. Listen, Ono. Today you will confess of all your involvements in this. Today, no mercy.
Ezedibia, you know I never did anything like that. You know it. And you should believe it.
Zedibe, take me instead. Take my life so that my daughter will live. I can't afford to see my daughter go away from me again.
He cannot take your life.
You people cannot fool me anymore.
Take my child.
Ezedibia, no one is dying today.
Says who?
Ezedibia, I'm telling you that nobody is dying today.
Are you to challenge me?
Do you want to know why I survived after sleeping with her? Now I need to tell you a story. A story I never told anyone before. A story about my life. Growing up, I used to live a very wayward life. Feasting on sacrificial items made for the gods, which I used to steal from Anyim shrine. Yes. I did that for so many years. I was doing that until one day I stole items specially prepared for 7 goddesses of Onkalagu River. On that fateful day, the gods cursed me with immortality, which means I can never die. That was the reason why I was able to sleep with her and nothing happened.
Are you telling us a true story?
Nai, you know I can never lie to you.
So, wait. So, this is the reason nothing happened to you after we made love?
Yes. I'm sorry I kept it away from you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for not telling you anything about this. In fact, I met you and everything started making sense to me. Yes. Everything started making sense. Ezedibe, I think meeting her was orchestrated by the gods. Yes.
This is the answer I seek for a very long time. Oh no, I am so sorry.
deeply sorry for all the accusations I leveled against you and your household. I shall take my leave. Igwe must hear this.
Hi. Hey, my daughter. Bless you.
Ulimma